I am an old woman named after my mother. My old man is another child that's grown old. If dreams were thunder, lightning was desire, this old house would have burned down oh, a long time ago. To make me an angel that flies from Montgomery, make me a poster of my old rodeo. Just give me one thing, Lord, that I can hold on to believe in this living is just a long ways ago. Just a free remedy. But oh, that was such a long time, and no matter how I tried, those years they just flew by like a broken down blade. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery, make me a poster for my believe in this living is just a hard ways ago. I can hear all the buzzing, but oh, I eat to nothing since I woke up today. How the hell can a person go to work in the morning, come home in the evening, they have nothing to say? Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery, make me a poster from old rodeo. Just giving me one thing I can hold on to believe in this living is just a long ways ago. When they come, they'll take you down. When they bring not working around. Just one thing, darling, I ask of you. Just don't tell them that's enough me. Shake it, sugary. Shake it, shake it, sugary. Shake it, sugary. to believe in this living is just a hollow ways to go. Well, I came to the city. I was running from the pain. My heart was bleeding, and it hurt my bones to lay. Stayed in the city, no exception to the rules, to the rules. He was born to love me. I was raised to be his fool, Lord, his fool. Walk that line, turn the ball. Gotta spend your whole life trying. Ride that train, and free your heart. It's midnight up in Harlem. I went down to the river and I took a look around. They were old men's shoes. There were needles on the ground. No more mysteries, baby. No more secrets, no more clues, no more clues. The stars around there, you can almost see the moon. The streets are windy and the subway's closing down. Gonna carry this dream to the other side of town. So walk that line, tell the girl, gotta spend your whole life trying. So ride that train and free your heart. It's midnight up in Harlem.
Thank you.